This is my hand, this one is my pen. That is your book, I know that one. And this moment is such luck, such weather, such days. I do it myself without questions, without complaining. All together, everyone is here. Everything I need is someone like you whose laugh is for. No one is alone, nothing is empty. Every hour, every day, every moment that I live. All people, some are friendly, a few are strict. Much happiness, little time, more love, mostly long. Enough is enough, not too much, not too little. On Thursday in November, my heart is pure and holy. All together,